CAPR stock analysis and CAPR stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be doing is showing you my exact play. Capricor Therapeutics, man, is just a not so much decent bullish market. Like, I would just prefer the price gives me a double break or all that good jazz, but yeah, I mean, I'm getting the first one, so that's Gucci. And moving forward, here's gonna be the top of the range, and the only thing that I care is here's my demand, and only if I see the price pulling down and giving me some sort of shift, then I'm looking to take it further up. If not, bro, I'm not looking to buy. So all I'm doing is I'm waiting, you know. So there you go. CAPR have 5 results. I'll definitely keep you updated. This is not financial advice. If you want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description. Get my free emails and insights. Goodbye and enjoy.